Hey friends, welcome to day 7 of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today's 10-minute workout is going to be focusing on active stretching, core, and flexibility, and all you need is a mat. So let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, beauties, let's get started. So let's get into that tabletop position, okay? Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and let's get those cat-cows going, okay? Around the spine, bring the head and hips in, and then bring it out. And just repeat that in for a second, and out for a nice 1 count. Inhale coming in, exhale when you bring it out. All right, team, looking good. Nice and steady with this active warm-up here. So again, today's active stretching, core, a little bit of core, and flexibility. All right, squad. So let's switch now to those donkey kicks. So let's go left leg forward, or left leg first. Okay, so tuck the knee in and then up and out. Always underestimate my leg length. I don't want to be kicking that tree here, the beautiful tree that we have. Excellent, team. So just up and out, in and out. So if you've done all 7 days, heck yeah, be proud of yourselves. If this is your first day, that's okay too. Be proud of yourselves as well. All right, squad, let's switch it up. Let's go. Right leg now, tuck it in, up and out. So try to bring that leg up and out 45 degrees. Flex that glute. Get that nice little glute activation here, a little bit of the hamstring activation too. Inhale and exhale when you bring it out. All right, squad, bring your beautiful selves up. Let's get those inchworms going, okay? So feet together, big reach up, bend those knees, inch out into that push-up position, okay? You can either do this with your knees up, or when you bring it down, you could bring those knees down to the floor or to your mats, inch out into that push-up position, and then just carefully bring your beautiful selves back, stand up tall, big calf raise, and repeat that. Great. This is a great active warm-up, active stretch that I'm sure most of you who tune in to Jazz It Ups know that we definitely do it often as a warm-up in our workouts. It's very good. Very, very good to warm up the whole body. All right, squad. And now let's transition. We are going to transition to those lunge flies on my call. All right, let's switch it up. So everybody get to their top of their mats here. Okay. And then I want everybody to step back with your left leg first, okay? If you need to put your knees down onto the mat, please do. But if you want that extra challenge, bring that leg up, that knee up, and then just get that left hand, that right hand down on the inside of that left foot, and then open up to the left and just hold that. And try to look at that hand. Okay, remember, you could do it with the knee up or knee down, whichever you prefer. Nice little modification if you need it. Carefully transition back to center. Okay, bring that leg back. Let's step back now with that left leg. Bring that left arm on the inside of that right leg. Open up to that right side. Beautiful, team. Keep holding. Knee up or knee down. Excellent job. Come back to center, stand up tall. Okay, let's bring our beautiful selves down to the floor here. Okay, and let's get into that nice wide plank. All right, nice wide plank. Hands nice and wide here. All right, knees up or knees down for this, okay? Knees up or knees down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Everybody up. Arms nice and wide. Remember, knees up or knees down, okay? Looking good, team, looking good. So just squeeze that booty. Squeeze those abs nice and tight here, team, nice and tight. All right, squad, good job. Bring yourselves to that child's pose. Knees down, big reach forward. Big reach forward. Just control that breathing right here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, let's transition now to that forearm plank. You can either do this with your knees up or your knees down. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So bring it on up. Abs tight, booty tight. Let's go, squad. Abs tight, booty tight here. Let's get it. Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Knees up or knees down. And rest, child's pose. Everybody reach your hands. Get those hands to the left side. Reach the left side here. Excellent job. Let's inch those hands now to the right side. So we did left, but if you did right first, you can go to the left now. Big reach to that right side. All right, bring it back to center here. Awesome job, squad. All right, up next, we got thread the needle. So tabletop position here, team. Let's go right arm, bring that through to, I gotta shimmy this a little bit. A little tight here to the wall. Okay, so right arm, bring it through to that left side and then open up to the right and then just repeat that. Boom. Nice little back, active back stretch here. And reach nice and high, nice and through as far as you can here. All right, let's switch it. Let's go left arm to the right side and then open up to that left. All right, team, looking good. Almost done here for the 7-day refresh. 10-minute quick little active stretching, core, and flexibility workout for beginners and seniors. But all fitness levels are welcome, always. All right, team, let's get those Superman holds and reps. Okay, so arms and legs fully extended here. So we're gonna start with the reps first. Here we go. You can either go both arms at the same time or right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. And I'll just rep it up. So either both at the same time or right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Beautiful, team. All right, here we go. Everybody up and hold, squeeze. Beautiful. Start repping again. We're gonna get one more hold here. Go, everybody up and hold. Squeeze, 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 squeeze that booty. Squeeze that lower back. And rest it up, team. Great job. Excellent, almost done. Last stretch here. Okay, let's get the torso twist going. Okay, so, torso twist. So get that left leg straight out here. Bring that right leg up 90 degrees and then just bring it over to that left side. And just try to have that right leg fall onto the floor here, okay? And you should feel this stretch in that left or that right glute, right IT band, right oblique, right lower back. All right, beauties, good job. Bring it carefully, bring it back. Let's get that right leg fully extended here. Whoop. Left leg over to that right side. And then just keep that head straight up, looking towards the sky or the ceiling or wherever you're at. Close those eyes here as deep. Close those eyes here. Deep breaths. All right, beauties, great job. Let's get into that corpse pose here. Everybody's favorite pose. Relax that mind. Let your conscious be free. All right. Relax those legs, arms out to the side, palms facing upward. And just give me some deep breaths. Keep those eyes closed. In through the nose. Fill that abdominal cavity. Exhale out. All right, team. Keep that breath nice and steady here. Keep those eyes closed. And we have to end this 7-day refresh with a nice little motivational quote coinciding with what we just did for these past 7 days. If you did all 7 days, congratulations. If this is your first time or first class of the 7 days, that's fine as well. All right, so on the theme of refresh, nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. Okay, again, nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. All right, team, with that said, let's take a big deep inhale. Exhale out. Excellent job, squad. Open up those eyes. Slowly make your way on up. And namaste, Jazzy Squad. Great job. Thank you so much for everybody that joined today, as well as for anybody that did all 7 days of the 7-day refresh. I'm going to be doing this every year. So first year I'm doing this. Think it was pretty successful. Hope you all enjoyed it. And you can always come back to it, right? So the theme, right, is coinciding with like New Year's and all that, but also if, you feel like you might have fallen off the wagon a little bit throughout the year, there's a 7-day refresh to kind of jumpstart you back up to those fitness, to get you back with your fitness goals, okay? Team, Jazzy Squad, thank you so much for everything, okay? Appreciate you all for coming. Love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you in another class soon. Adios.